Welcome to Yeeflow Data List Tutorial Series. Today, we will introduce how to export data from a data list to Excel. In a data list, you can choose to export all the data or only selected records. First, let's see how to export all the data from a data list. Open the data list you wish to export. In the top right corner of the list, click on the More Settings button. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Export. A window for exporting data will pop up on the right side of the page. Click the Start Export button to open the Export to Excel window. By default, all fields displayed in the current data view will be selected. You can also manually check or uncheck fields in the left list to decide whether to include these fields in the export. The selected fields will be displayed in the right side selected list. You can also drag the order block in front of the fields to change the order of the fields. After setting up, click on the Export button and the data will be exported to an Excel file. Exporting data is an asynchronous process and the actual export time depends on the amount of data. Once the export is complete, you will see a Download button in the export history. Click Download and the Excel file will be downloaded to your computer. The export history list can be used to view previous download records. If you only want to export selected records, simply check the checkbox in front of the needed records. Then, click on the Export button in the top right corner of the data list to open the Export Data window. After that, follow the same steps as you would to export all the data. Now you have learned how to export data from a data list to Excel. Whether you need to export the entire data list or specific records, you can easily complete the task. If you want to learn more tutorials about Yeeflow, please continue to follow our channel. Thank you for watching.